Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Life. We have with us Vaani Kapoor, who is next going to be seen in Befikre with Ranveer Singh. Say hi to the viewers, Vaani.
Hi! Yes!
You seem to be very excited. It's been like almost 2 years, the gap since your first film release. So how has the journey been like in the last 2 years?
What can I say? I was sleeping all these 2 years. No, I'm kidding. It was a wait, and it was a conscious wait, and I was working and I was auditioning, and I had to audition a lot to get this film.
Okay.
So my time is to just spend on either watching a movie or performing a scene with Shanu Sharma, who's the casting director of YRF.
Right.
It just flew. Yeah, the time just flew.
Okay, and you've come back after 2 years, so do you think anything has changed in Bollywood, or is it pretty much the same?
I mean, the fact that I'm watching such cool films, over a period of, since I've been doing Shuddesi,
Right.
I'm not very into I'm not really like a integral part of the industry yet, so I honestly haven't missed out on a lot. But for me, my world is very limited to Yash Raj films so far. It's only been limited to Yash Raj films, and I've never really even stepped out to any other studio.
Right.
Oh no, once for comedy nights we went to Reliance Studio.
Right.
Apart from that, I've never been to any other studio also.
Yeah.
So my world is only very limited. So I really can't comment what changes have been
Been in the
industry. Yeah.
Okay. So, talking about the films, school films, what all films have you liked recently?
In a span of 2-3 years, I've been watching. I loved Piku, I loved Urta Punjab, I loved Kapoor and Sons, I loved Sultan. I'm awaiting Dangal. I'm awaiting Befikre. It seems like a really cool film. What else?
Pink, did you watch
Pink, I love Pink.
Yeah.
Love Pink.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of Shujit Sarkar's, cinema.
Right.
All those movies.
Okay. And when you first got to know that you had to work with Ranveer Singh, who's always like so full of energy, and he's never so low. Yeah, all of that.
Sauna.
Yeah. So all of that. So
We all flatter Ranveer Singh so much.
Yeah, because he is like that, probably.
He deserves it.
Yeah. So
Rightfully, yeah.
So how did you what was your reaction? How did you think you would get along with him? So with someone like Ranveer, who's so outspoken and so full of energy.
It's actually good. It works better for me if the other person is more outspoken, because then he can break the ice instead of me trying too hard to break the ice. Because I can be socially awkward, and I can come up with silly jokes which might not seem apt or appropriate, and I do tend to falter when it comes to articulation.
Right.
So I'm happy that he's a really he's a cool guy. He's chilled out. He doesn't carry any baggage or load of I'm a star and he can be treated like one.
Right.
So it was, and because also I think it helped because I knew him before we came in together for the film. I met him a couple of times.
Right.
We were already
Pretty chilled out.
acquainted with one another.
Okay.
Chilled out.
So there was this behind the scenes video that was released of Befikre, and which had Ranveer taking a dig at you. He was constantly nagging you, and he once said that this girl farts while kissing. So
Why did you go slow on?
Because it's a little embarrassing. Yeah. So
Everybody farts.
Yeah. So how was?
Why is it such a disparity between men and women when it comes to fart? Everyone poops and farts and pees and farts again and poops again. Everybody,
so
he's obsessed with human feces. I cannot help it. He loves to discuss all this.
God.
It's a fetish that he has, discussing farts and poops.
Yeah.
In fact,
that's disgusting. No, or
well, that's Ranveer for you.
So you got to kiss Ranveer Singh, like the Ranveer Singh. Yeah, for like almost 23 times, right?
Huh?
Yeah, 23 times in the movie altogether.
I didn't count. Neither did he, nor did Adi.
So
nobody decided on the count of how many times you're gonna kiss.
But pretty much more than how it is usually, like how many times it's usually done. So how was it like? Well, like when you were like kissing the Ranveer Singh, how did you feel?
You make it sound
Was
so
it
funny.
very?
See, I was in my character and he was in his. We
Right.
weren't kissing like Vani and
Right.
Ranveer, and like we've been saying all throughout our interviews and promotions that it's actually treated like hugs, or you know how
Something
like
like
nobody
normal.
discusses how many times you've hugged a person. in a
Right,
film.
right, okay.
That's how Adi's also treated kisses like that, with full of warmth and kindness and love, and it's not shot in a very titillating way. It's shot very aesthetically and very nicely, and
Right.
there's warmth to each kiss. So yeah, I just
It was just very normal, like
now I feel very normal. Now even if I have to kiss Ranveer, I'll be like, oh okay, no big deal. You know.
Okay. And you play Shaira, the tour guide in the film.
Yeah.
So, and you are also a stylist, or like what is it like? Because your clothes are very stylish, and I've seen a couple of videos in which you are exploring various styles of Paris, on the streets of Paris. So,
They
what?
made Shaira very Parisian, and Parisians usually have a very unique, eccentric style. Shaira has that.
Right.
She's, but when you see her hair or the way she's dressed up, it's very unkept, cool,
Right.
youthful vibe.
Right.
And I quite like that vibe though.
Right.
I never got like blow dries for my hair.
Right.
And
Right,
I never
right.
wore those pretty chiffon saris or
Right.
anything like that.
Right.
She's very youthful, young, cool,
Casual,
chick
yeah.
who how when you see girls these days how they are dressed up. So
Right.
she's very like to the point.
Right. Okay. So, since you play a tour guide in the film, is there? Could you just list down 5 travel essentials for women who prefer traveling alone or something?
Always keep space in your suitcase whenever you're traveling, because you end up shopping so much.
Right.
It happens to me a lot.
Right.
I never have space. Every time I have to go, and then I end up shopping a lot, and then I have to pick up another bag.
Right. Just stuff
An extra
it up.
baggage.
Right.
Bag.
Right.
Keep a little travel light.
Right.
Travel light is a good idea
Right.
when you're intending to shop a lot.
Right.
Then carry sneakers or shoes, because if you're intending to walk a lot, I love to walk around and discover places
Right.
while walking.
Yeah.
So carry comfy shoes, carry jackets. I feel very cold when I'm traveling, be it in a flight or be it outside. Sometimes it gets chilly and all. You can
Right.
never predict weather
Yeah.
like that. So carry
Yeah.
like a nice cool jacket and
Right.
maybe a black color, because it can pretty much go along with everything.
Right.
Or anything. That
Right.
black is also my favorite
Yeah.
color.
Okay.
What else?
That's it. Just 2 things.
That's all I
That's it?
wanted. Oh, so I've overdone it. Okay, sorry.
No,
Yeah, that's-
there are 5.
Oh,
yeah, you
two
just
more
said
things.
2. Yeah.
No, I said jacket,
Travel light.
comfy shoes, travel
3,
light,
okay,
create
2 more.
space in your
Okay.
bag. Then I also feel make sure before you travel that your card is working. Is happening
Right.
at times.
That's the most important thing, I think.
Sometimes they just they put like a limit to it, or I don't know what they do. They end up blocking internationally, and sometimes you just have to
Right.
call up or log on to net banking
Right,
to fix
right,
it.
right.
It's happened to me
Yeah.
twice.
Yeah.
I was really mad at my bank, and I was like, well, how can you do this? I'm shopping, I'm standing right there, I can't pay. No,
That
okay.
sucks.
Just
Yeah.
make sure that your cards are working before you leave the country. What else?
That's pretty much about it, I think.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. We have been seeing you promoting the film, and your clothes are really like stylish. Like this is
thank you.
there's this transformation kind of thing that has happened. Like the Vani Kapoor that I saw 2 years
Was
ago.
not so stylish.
Not stylish, but then that was more of your Desi avatar.
I was
and this
Tara,
is,
yeah. I was in Tara's avatar, and now
Yeah.
I'm in Shaira's avatar.
Right.
My avatar is very track pants and t-shirt, or just jeans and t-shirt and
Something very
jumper.
comfy.
Yeah, very casual.
Yeah. So whose style sense from Bollywood do you admire the most?
Everybody has such good taste in when it comes to clothes and styling.
But anyone
I think
in
Sonam is
particular?
really
Right,
considered
yeah.
the style. Diva.
Yeah.
I really like Karina's sense of styling. I think she has this innate sense of style.
Right.
She's very effortless. She doesn't
Yeah.
really need clothes to look stylish or glamorous.
Right.
I think Anushka dresses are pretty cool.
Right.
It's effortless again.
Mm-hmm.
I like everybody actually these days is
Anyone from the younger lot, from Alia, Pariniti, Shraddha,
Alia,
Sonakshi?
Pari, Shraddha, all of them really style themselves pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there someone from Bollywood whom you would want to give a makeover, sort of?
Oh no, I'm hoping some really kind soul would give me a makeover.
Okay, yeah, so since you guys were shooting in Paris,
Yeah.
can you just tell us how was shooting, like how was the style and the people who wore clothes over there, how is it different from what we wear in India? How is the style different from India's?
You see all sorts of, people in Paris. There are women who you usually see are very well dressed.
Right.
And they carry themselves with a lot of grace.
Right.
You'll always see them a lot. In fact, I see a lot of blacks happening, very like dull color, not dull colors, but like very. Then, like, I don't see too many colors happening in Paris. I see them
Subtle
sticking to
dark
their whites and
colors.
blacks and just the.
Selective colors, very
Yeah,
subtle
like
ones.
usually very like wintry colors, winter colors.
Right.
So, and I'm one of them. Like I like my beige and white and blacks. Like I stick to my blacks a lot.
Right.
Sometimes my manager has to like really like she like get your act together and start like dressing up all like cool and colorful because you're always in black. But yeah,
So yeah, black is the
black
yeah.
and all of those kind of colors. Yeah.
Okay. So, considering Ranveer Singh's style sense, you know how quirky he
And
is
colourful
with his
that he
yeah. So, is there something that you would want to change about Ranveer when it comes to style, or you like him the way he dresses?
I like the way he's been styled in our movie. I think that's really suits him a lot. Like, I mean, I also really admire the fact that he has his own sense of style, and he doesn't really let anybody dictate him his style.
Right.
And he chooses to wear what he wants to wear.
Right.
And, there's no pressure to like
Yeah.
be in a certain way when it comes to being styled.
Yeah, right,
And he's
right.
unique. Again,
Yeah.
very eccentric.
Yeah,
and
it
very
stands out.
Yeah, it stands out.
Yeah.
But I also really like how he's been styled in the movie.
Right.
Yeah.
What about box office? Like, there has been this demonetization thing that's going on. So, how do you think is it going to affect your film at the box office, or do you think it'll even affect your film?
I mean, I don't know because Dear Zindagi did really, it's doing really well.
Right.
People are liking that movie. I want to still go ahead and watch the film.
Right.
And I don't think it's stopping. And besides, it's been long enough time. Our movie's coming on the 9th of December. There's still like a lot of days
Right,
in
right.
between. And you know what? You can always swipe your card if ever in doubt
Right.
whether you want to spend your cash or not.
Right,
Just
right.
go swipe your card.
Yeah.
I don't think it should.
Matter.
I mean, hopefully not. I mean, why would somebody want to not go watch a good film
Right.
when you're so stressed in life? Just go and watch it and get happy and get light and enjoy.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's it for today, guys.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank
Everybody
you.
for food for you.
Bye.
Thanks.